Welcome to Project Management, Gantt charts. What is a Gantt chart? It's a way to organize chaos. According to Wikipedia, a Gantt chart is a type of bar chart developed by Henry Gantt that illustrates a project schedule. Gantt charts illustrate the start and finish dates of the terminal elements and summary elements of a project. Terminal elements and summary elements comprise the work breakdown structure of the project. Some Gantt charts also show the dependency, that is, precedence network relationships between activities. In short, the chart is a tool for turning complexity bordering on chaos into an organized breakdown of all the component parts of a project turned into a timeline. Gantt charts can be used to show current schedule status using percent complete shadings and a vertical today line as shown. In the following example, there are 7 tasks labeled A through G. Some tasks can be done concurrently, A and B, while others cannot be done until their predecessor task is complete. For example, C cannot begin until A is complete. Additionally, each task has 3 time estimates. The optimistic time estimate, O, the most likely or normal time estimate, M, and the pessimistic time estimate, P. The expected time, T sub E, is computed using the formula O plus 4M plus P divided by 6 gives you the expected time. These 7 tasks are charted. The end result is a demonstration that this project is well managed. The tool that helped you organize your project now becomes a proof that you are capable of carrying out the project in an efficient and organized way. We are going to use Excel to create a Gantt chart. Normally, there is project software that you can use that tracks all of the elements in a traditional Gantt chart. But you can use Excel to create something that's useful, if simpler. So take a few seconds and write down these 4 columns, 5 actually, and fill them in, and you're going to copy them onto an Excel sheet or fill in the Excel sheet. And when you've done that, then we'll go and show you how to create a Gantt chart in Excel based on this data. This is the data that you were asked to enter onto your Excel sheet, and we're going to turn this data now into a Gantt chart. Click on the chart icon, click on bar, go to set stacked bar, hit OK. Now we're going to select data, so we hit that icon, hit add, and the first thing we're going to do is the start date. So highlight that column and then hit OK. Now hit add again, and this is going to be duration. Click on series values, highlight that column, and hit OK. And we can get rid of that for now. We don't need this legend over here because we're not going to use all of the elements of this chart at some point. So click on that and hit delete, and that will expand your chart somewhat. Now you'll notice that the tasks that we have done are in reverse order. So what we're going to do is right-click on this axis, go down to Format Axis, and then find Categories in reverse order. Click on that and close. That will reverse and give us a normal order. Now the second thing we're going to do is get rid of the blue. And to do that, go to the color, right-click on it, Format Data, click on Fill, and then fill in No Fill. Click on Border Color, and click on and fill in No Line. When you hit Close, you'll see the blue has disappeared from the chart, and we now have duration and start dates. Now the next thing we want to do is to get rid of this area of the chart over here because it's got dates on it that really aren't meaningful to us. So to do that, click on the cell first start date, which is 1st of September. Right-click on that. Go down to Format Cells. And go to General. Click on that. Okay, and we'll be out of there. In this cell, type in the number 41153. And then right-click on it. Pardon me, right-click on the axis. Go down to Format Axis. In the minimum one, click Fixed and change that number to 41153. Go to the major unit, click Fixed, and change that number to 7. Now hit Close. And you can see that the chart resembles a simplified Gantt chart, but nonetheless it demonstrates that you've organized your project and demonstrated that you're capable of completing this project.